In this exercise we're gonna solve this matrix, and what this matrix actually is a representation of system of linear equations, of three linear equations with three variables. And how we're gonna do it, we're gonna use reduced row echelon form of matrix. We're gonna use calculator. And first of all, we have to input this matrix to our calculator. Second matrix, edit, and we have matrix 3 by 4, 3 rows by 4 columns, and 3 enter, 4 enter. Now we have to populate our matrix, and it is 1, 3, 2, 5, 1, 5, 3, 9, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, we're done. Now we have to exit this mode, second quit, and now we're gonna actually change this matrix to reduced row echelon form. How are we gonna do it? We're going second matrix, going to math is the second one. Let's find our reduced row echelon form, which is RREF, or under the B. Enter. Now we have to input our matrix, second matrix. In names we're using matrix which we have to reduce, and it is A, close parenthesis, enter. Now this is our representation of reduced row echelon form. Means our matrix similar to 1, 0, 0.5, negative 1, 0, 1.5, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now I'm gonna ask, what is our variable? What is our answer? What we have right now, the last row all equals to 0. What does this mean actually? It means that our last variable, if you take like rows like this, x, y, z, it actually has infinitely many solutions. And look, I didn't see actually, I put here x, y, z, and actually means that z actually equals to z. Now our y, second one is y, and actually it's plus 0.5 plus 0.5 z equals to 2. Now x plus 0.5 z equals to negative 1. But this system can be changed because we have to add x and z. Our z is actually dependent variable because it can be infinitely many solutions for z, but it depends on z, and actually our y and x depends on z. Or we can say this independent variable and our y and x are dependent variables. And why? Let's solve for them. We just subtract negative 0.5 z from both sides for this equation, and we have y equals, this one cancelled, we have 2 minus 0.5 z. This is our y, and x again, we subtract 0.5 z from both sides, and here we have, it's cancelled, we have x equals negative 1 minus 0.5 z, and this is our answer. z is independent variable, and y and x dependent variable, they depends on z. And here actually this one is 2. They look very similar. Okay.